Hey, future pilots! Welcome on day 2 of the 7 Days to ATPL Productivity, our daily series on mastering the art of productive studying for your ATPL exams. Every day, I am sharing tips and tricks on how to make your study as short and as enjoyable as possible. I'm Sultan from CaptainSultan.com, and like many of you, I've been exactly where you are. Excited, a bit overwhelmed, and ready to take on the challenge of studying to become a professional pilot. So let's take off. So welcome back. Today we'll be looking at how to craft the ideal study environment, an essential component of deep productive work. And today we'll look at an approach that has been popularized by Cal Newport in Deep Work. It's an amazing book. I highly recommend it. I'll put a link in the description. What Cal Newport explains is that you need to immerse yourself in a state of high concentration, free from distraction to produce high quality, efficient work. And this approach is crucial for complex tasks like studying for the ATPL exams. Cal Newport emphasizes the importance of minimizing distraction to enter a state of deep work. It means turning off your phone, logging out of social media, and setting clear boundaries with those around you. It's about creating a space where you can focus without interruption. And that space can be a physical space, but it's also a mind space. And if you look at pilots have also state of deep works. When they are into a critical phase of flight, such as an approach or taking off, pilots usually have a sterile cockpit. They're only focused on the task at hand. They're highly focused, undistracted, and fully engaged with the task. That's a level of concentration we're aiming for in your study session. So how do you apply this to your studies? First, start by setting a specific time for studying. This is your deep work time. During this period, eliminate all possible distraction. Turn off your phone, find a quiet space, put a noise-canceling headset, and inform your family or housemates that you're not to be disturbed. You can use techniques like the Pomodoro technique, where you study intensely for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. This method helps maintain a high level of focus while preventing burnout. There's a lot of Pomodoro technique app in the app stores for Google or iPhone. Just check it out. You might also want to consider your cognitive time. What are your peak cognitive time? Meaning, are you a morning person or an evening person? So when is your mind the sharpest? And try to schedule a deep work session during those times to take advantage of your natural rhythms. Another important step is to embrace simplicity. A clutter-free space leads to a clutter-free mind, which makes it easier to engage in high concentration work. And you only keep what you need in your study session within reach. What you may also consider is try not to change your working systems while you're studying. If you find a way to take notes or to gather your material in a certain way and it works, don't change it. Looking for new ways to work leads to a lower level of productivity. So don't chase higher productivity if the system you have works. Make some minor tweaks maybe, but on overall everything. Because by changing everything, you'll need to restart from scratch and you'll lose a lot of the progress you have made. And finally, personalize your space in a way that fosters focus. This could mean different things for different people. It might be a plant, it might be a picture of an aircraft you admire, or simply a clean desk. Remember that deep work is not just about where you study, but it's how you approach your study time. It's about training your mind to focus intensely on the task at hand. So think about how you can adapt your environment to enter this zone of deep productive learning. So set up your space, minimize distractions, and get ready to delve into the world of focused ATPL study. Next time, we'll explore study techniques to maximize your learning. Until then, keep setting the stage for success in your pilot journey. Clear skies and focused mind ahead.